For the first time, until July 2016, Microsoft is offering a free Windows version upgrade. In this matter, it's similar to Android, iOS, and through recent releases, OS X. Offer the upgrade for free and increase the likelihood of retaining the customer for a few more years. Typical of past upgrades, the user can choose between custom and express installations. Custom offers numerous checkpoints where the user can decide to accept the default or select and provide a different value. Most of the settings and values may be familiar enough for users to make a decision on the fly. Others may appear to be modified descriptions, groupings, or are altogether new to Windows. The Express installation will retain most of the existing user-configured settings and accept other defaults defined by Microsoft, resulting in a smoother and faster process. To achieve customization without repeatedly halting the process while researching or verifying a setting, the user can complete an Express installation and review their values afterward. As with any device configuration, it's highly advisable to do this as soon and after subsequent updates regularly as possible, because, like Google and Apple, Microsoft continues to expand its operating system capabilities. Whether the installation is an upgrade, a fresh install on an existing computer, or pre-installed on a new one, the system settings deserve careful examination and consideration. Specifically for Windows 10 on the PC, click on the Start menu button in the lower left corner, select Settings, and then Privacy. From here, start with General. Of these, only the Smart Screen filter suggests value for the user. Next up, Location. This is a fairly straightforward decision. Do you want Microsoft to know your specific whereabouts? If allowed, so may all other vendors with software on your computer, and they must be controlled individually. Off for the computer will apply to all installed apps. Continue down to Camera. Apps you use whose primary function is video will of course require this permission. Others are not necessary. Good practice is to keep everything off until individually required. The other half of most video sessions is of course audio, and the microphone function deserves the same consideration. Again, off until individually required. Next comes an interesting set of controls: speech, inking, and typing. Enabling the Get to Know Me allows Microsoft to capture your interactions with virtually everyone you interact with through the computer. If this has been on and you change your mind, the button will show Stop Getting to Know Me and can be pushed to discontinue the surveillance and clear the data. Now look at the account info settings. As it says, some apps need to access your account info to work as intended. Do you know specifically which ones do? Allowing on an individual app basis may be the safest approach. Apps whose main function is communicating with acquaintances will require access to your contacts. Some apps you may use but not utilize the same range of contacts. Disable any that don't need such access. Most organized people make good use of a calendar, so using a calendar app will require access. But if the calendar you use is not part of the Windows installation, it doesn't make sense for a user to leave this access enabled. Other setting groups are available, but attention to those just discussed should improve privacy on the Windows 10 PC. Careful configuration of your computer improves the privacy for you and your acquaintances. Have they done the same for themselves? And you?
Thank you.